Hey guys, it's your girl Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you decide to stick around a while, subscribe, join the family, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. It always means so much to me that both groups of people decided to watch my video. Today we're back with a new tutorial. It's a new mini tutorial on 5 minutes to feathered brows. Okay, so it doesn't take 5 minutes to feather your brows, but the video is going to be 5 minutes because it's a mini tutorial, and you know what that means. A new skill in less than 5 minutes. Stick around after the break so you can see what products I use to get these fabulous feathered brows. I'll see you soon. First thing that you need to do is have a spoolie. Just have a spoolie. My eyebrows kind of grow every which way, and I think the perfect feathered brow just looks like it's just all going up. I like to brush them all up so that I know exactly where I want to put my product down. So I have this NYX eyebrow shaper wax, and I just put that on there, and it just kind of helps those hairs just kind of stay down. Sometimes I also take this time to like pluck any stray hairs. I'm going in with my NARS concealer. This is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to use that to kind of carve the bottom of my brow out. So by doing this, we have the appearance of a feathered brow already because the brow bone is clean. Next, we're going to pick up the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. If you don't want to pay the money for this, the LA Girl Shady Slim Pencil is the best dupe that I've used for this pencil. With the Brow Wiz, you're going to take the pencil side and just kind of like do some little streaks. So you see, we're creating the appearance of brows, and you know, like up in here, I don't have any brow, so I'm just going to, you know, I'm still going to streak it. I might go over the front multiple times just to make it a little bit darker. I'm just gonna streak up and out, and it doesn't matter how high out it goes. It really doesn't. So after you finish drawing the spice, I just take the spoolie and like go through and brush it. Just kind of brush the product through, even in the front. I mean, I know there's no hair repair, but I still like to brush it because I don't want it to feel left out. Then when you're done, use your concealer to clean up the top. So the last step to feather your brows is to add a little bit of brow gel. Right now I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow brow gel, and that's because I got it as a sample in my Sephora Play box. I usually don't go out and buy Benefit products. I just got it for free, and so I decided to try it, and I actually really like it. But you know, Benefit don't really bang with black girls like that, so I'm not endorsing them or telling you guys to go out and buy it. Once I find a good replacement, then I will go out and tell y'all, hey, go buy that. But this, right now, it kind of works. Honestly, I don't even think it's the formula for it. I think it's just the brush. I'm trying to be like transparent, but still try to be like, you know, let you guys know what's going on. Alright guys, here is the finished brow. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you try to do this, make sure you give me a tag on Twitter. It makes my Grinch heart grow, and it gives me warm and fuzzies when I've taught you guys something and then you show me you doing it afterwards. That just makes me really, really happy. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure that you are subscribed to me. At the time of this video, I'm at 494, so we have 6 more people until we get to 500. And I might even have a little surprise in it for some of y'all. Click the notification bell at the bottom so that you can be part of the Bang Bang notification gang. And I will see you guys in my next video. All right, thank you so much. Have a good day.